Are you looking for the best voice recorders? In this video we will look at some of the best voice recorders the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony ICD-UX570 Digital Voice Recorder. Expandable storage and quick charging features make this pocket-sized recorder a good option for frequent use on short notice. This compact voice recorder from Sony features automatic file organization and a handy selection of onboard controls. The design makes it the best voice recorder for interviews. Key among its front panel buttons are two playback navigation buttons. One fast-forwards 10 seconds, and the other rewinds 3 seconds. This functionality, combined with the unit's automatic file labeling system, allows users to review recordings quickly and efficiently, making this a good tool for transcribing interviews and other spoken word recordings. Other standout features of this design include a headphone jack for playback and a 55-hour battery life. Unfortunately, you'll need to keep a set of AAA batteries around since the recorder doesn't have an internal one. We suggest rechargeable batteries. The external microphone input appeals to users who want more control over their recordings. When using the unit's onboard stereo microphones, users can toggle between normal stereo, wide field, and focused recording modes. When it's time to transfer files to the computer, this voice recorder has its own USB connector that pops out and retracts with a simple switch. Number 2. Zoom H1N Portable Recorder. The H1N is a rugged portable recorder built by an industry-leading audio company that features easy controls and 90-degree stereo recording. Zoom portable recorders are well known in the audio and video production industry as a great option for capturing audio on-site at events due to their relatively high durability and sound quality. The H1N aims to pack this reputation into a compact and affordable digital recorder that can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from concerts and musical sampling to interview and lecture recording. Because it has a high volume limit and records in resolutions of up to 24-bit/96 kHz, this is the best digital voice recorder to consider if sound quality is your primary concern. Design-wise, the H1N has a relatively streamlined user interface and a monochrome display that is controllable via a series of buttons on the front panel. It has one-touch recording and automatic distortion prevention, which are key features that help this recorder excel in settings where setup time is limited or non-existent. Its array of two condenser microphones record in a fixed X/Y stereo configuration, allowing users to pick up a wide field of audio without any adjustment required, and these microphones are protected within a cage that's integrated into the body of the recorder. The H1N's plastic construction allows it to be portable and lightweight. Ideally, the H1N should be mounted on a stand using its built-in threaded mount, but if you need to operate it in handheld mode, consider wrapping the body in a microfiber cloth or other dampening material. The H1N also uses traditional AAA batteries, which can feel slightly inconvenient and antiquated in terms of portability, and don't forget to hold onto used ones to dispose of them properly. Still, it does prevent the need to stop and charge up when the battery runs out. That's another reason pros like it. Number 3. Shibmotive MV88 Condenser Microphone. This lightning-powered condenser microphone is a compact and convenient option for traveling light and recording files straight to your smartphone. This convenient, iPhone-powered microphone from Shure is the best voice recorder for an iPhone and a great way to improve the quality of your smartphone's sound recording without the need for a separate voice recorder. It requires the downloadable Shibmotive app, which gives users access to all recording functionality and a host of DSP options, including noise reduction, limiting, compression, and EQ. Due to its ability to record high-quality audio and apply post-processing effects via an app, the MV88 falls somewhere between a classic voice recorder and a portable audio production setup, making it a particularly good option for acquiring polished audio intended for production purposes. Users can adjust the stereo width of their recordings via the app to tailor their recordings in various acoustic settings. The microphone itself can also rotate on its hinge up to 90 degrees in either direction, which offers some additional customization of directionality. The MV88 also includes a robust removable windscreen to help capture quality recordings in outdoor settings, a feature often sold separately when it comes to the best voice recorders. The ability to use your smartphone eliminates the need for a separate device and allows the use of your device's touchscreen for controls. Still, there are a few limitations that come with this convenience. Due to its app-controlled nature and smartphone-powered design, the MV88 can't function as a standalone unit. Number 4. Dictopro X100 Voice Recorder. With two ultra-sensitive mics that can capture high-quality audio from 40 feet away, the Dictopro X100 voice recorder is an ideal solution for anyone who needs to do some long-distance recording. The Dictopro X100 is a very stylish, pocket-sized recorder that somehow manages to perform just as well as it looks. Two ultra-sensitive microphones with dynamic noise reduction allow the Dictopro X100 to record high-quality sound at distances up to 40 feet away, making this recorder especially useful for recordings captured from afar, such as in a lecture hall. You can record those files in either WAV or MP3 format. Long-distance recording aside, the Dictopro X100 includes several other useful recording features, including a voice-activated function that allows you to record audio without pressing a button. Perhaps not as cool as voice-activated recording, but arguably even more useful is the Dictopro's 8 GB of internal storage, which supports up to 700 hours of recordings. An amp, NBSB, an amp, NBSB. Additional features include a headphone and external mic port, the ability to function as an MP3 player, and even an alarm clock, something you rarely see in a handheld voice recorder. One feature that is missing, however, is a microSD card port, which means you'll have to rely on the Dictopro's 8 GB of internal storage. Number 5. Sony ICD-UX570 Digital Voice Recorder. Pocket-sized portability, plenty of storage, and quick charge features make this recorder a great recording solution for students and other users on the go. The slim and sleek Sony ICD-UX570 digital voice recorder offers several features that make it an excellent solution for students or those recording in a classroom setting. For example, the recorder's stereo mics and 3 distinct recording modes, normal, focus, and wide stereo, allow users to capture sound naturally, regardless of whether they are in a small classroom or large lecture hall. In addition to its superior sound quality, the Sony ICD-UX570 digital voice recorder also comes with 4 GB of built-in storage, which is almost 160 hours of compressed audio. And when you're ready to transfer your recorded audio, simply plug the Sony ICD-UX570 digital voice recorder into any compatible device using the recorder's built-in USB. Other student-friendly features include the voice recorder's compact build, which allows it to be carried to and from class easily, a bright OLED display, and a built-in rechargeable battery that can last up to 27 hours. That same battery also supports fast charging tech, which yields up to 1 hour of recording time off of only a 3-minute charge.